Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Cubic Soul YouTube channel, and in today's video I will teach you how you can create this type of profile cards using HTML and CSS. Friends, these are completely responsive cards. Let me show you that how these cards will look like on tablet devices, and this design will look like this on mobile devices. So friends, we will learn a lot about web designing in this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. And before start, please I request you to subscribe for our YouTube channel for regular videos. Let's start. So friends, first of all, you can see that I have a folder on my desktop named Profile Cards Design, and inside this folder I have 4 profile images, and each image have width 500 pixel and height 500 pixel. And we have 2 files. One is index.html and the second is style.css. You can see that I have opened this project in my Visual Studio Code. First of all, I will create a basic HTML structure and type here profile cards design. Next, inside this I will create a div with class container, create a p element, type here experts. You can see the output. I have zoomed in my screen to 150% so you can see the output clearly. Next, I will create an h1 element here and type here our team experts. Next, create another div with class card wrapper. Inside this div we will paste all our cards. So first of all, I will create my first card. Inside this card, create a container for profile image and create an image tag inside this container, and I will type here profile1.jpg, which is my first profile name. Remove this alt attribute, we don't need this. Next, outside this profile image class, create another div with class content, type here h3 profile name, create a p element and type the profile designation. Next, create another div with class social media, and inside this we have to paste our social media icons. To display these icons, I am going to use font awesome. So first of all, search here font awesome and search here font awesome cdn. Click on the first link. The website name is cdnjs.com. Scroll up and click on copy link tag. Paste this link inside your head section, and next we have to link our style.css file with our this HTML code. Next, open the Google and search here font awesome icons. Click on this link and I will search here for Facebook. Click on this Facebook icon and next click on this I element, and this HTML code will be copied and paste this code here, and in the output you can see that we have a Facebook icon here. Similarly, you can search a lot of icons free and paid as well from this website, but now we have to copy this I element and paste this 3 times and type here YouTube Instagram. So we have created our one card. Similarly, we have to copy this complete card div and its inner content, and I will comment here profile2, paste this div here. I will type profile2, change the name and designation as well. Next, comment here profile3, paste the code, change the image. So you can see that we have 3 profiles right now, profile name and designation. And at last, I will comment here profile4 and paste our last card. Inside this, I will type profile name and change the profile image, and you can see the output. Here I will type YouTuber. So friends, we have done with our HTML code. Now open the style.css and type here star, padding 0, margin 0 and box sizing border box. So these 2 properties will remove the default margin of our elements. And next we have to use a Google font in our project. So I will search here Google fonts. Click on the first link named fonts knowledge, and the website name is fonts.google.com. Click on these 3 bars, select fonts, and here search for your desired fonts. I will search for Poppins. Click on this font, and here you can see that this font is available in different font weight and in italic as well. So I will click on this select regular 400 and click on view selected families. And we have to copy this link and paste this in the first line of our CSS file, and next copy this font family property and paste this here, because this property is inside this star element. That's why this font family will be implemented on our all HTML elements in our project. Next, I will copy this body element and paste this element here and type display flex, justify content center, align item center, and a background color for our body element. I will type this color code. So basically these three properties will align our all content inside our body element at the center position of our screen. Now I need to open the output and the code editor in a big screen so you can see the output in a meaningful way. Next I will copy this container class, paste this class here, and next copy this p element and paste here. The CSS code that we will type inside this block of code will be implemented on our this experts word. So I will type these these properties here. I will type text align center, margin. Here I have to type 4 margin properties. Type 30 pixel, this margin is for top. Type 0 pixel, this margin is for right. Type 10 pixel, this is for bottom, and 0 pixel, this is for left. Next color, RGBA. I will paste this color code. You can see that our text is center and have a light black color. Next type here letter spacing 2 pixel. You can see a space between these words, and font weight bold to bold this text a little bit. Next we have to style our this heading. So I will copy this h1 element, paste here, and before this copy this container class and paste this class here. Type here text align center, margin bottom 40 pixel, font size 2.5 rem. You can give the font size in pixels, but rem is better than pixel to make a responsive design. If you want to learn about pixel, rem and em, if you want to learn the difference between them, you can click on I button and watch our video. Next copy this card wrapper class, paste here and type display flex, justify content center, and align item center. You can see our all profile cards in a same line. Next copy this card class and paste here and type background color white, padding 70 pixel for top, 50 pixel for right, 0 pixel for bottom, and 50 pixel for left. You can see a padding on our cards. Next type width 25%. You can see the output. Next maximum width 350 pixel. You can see the output. Type here margin 10 pixel for top, left, bottom, and right. And next I will type here border radius 10 pixel. So you can see a border radius of 10 pixel around our card. Next we have to style our this profile image. To do this, simply copy this profile image class, paste this class here and type width 150 pixel, and make sure to copy this card class and paste this before this profile image class. And next type height 150 pixel, border radius 50%, overflow hidden, and margin auto. So margin auto property will help to keep this profile image exactly at the center position of the card. And overflow hidden property, if I will comment this, you can see that my image will look like this. So that's why I have to use the overflow hidden property, and you can see the output. Next I will copy this image element inside this profile image class, paste this element here, and before this copy and paste this here. Type these two properties, width 100% and height 100%. So you can see the output. Because this image element container has 150 pixel of width and 150 pixel of height, that's why this 100% means that height should be 150 pixel and width 150 pixel as well. Next I want to align this content at the center position of our card. To do this, I will simply copy this content class and paste this class here, and before this copy this card class and paste this class here. The reason I type this card class here, because the content class, this content class exists inside our card class. So I will type here one property text align center, and you can see the output. Our content is in the center position of our card. Next I have to style our this title, I means profile name. So I will simply copy this h3 element, paste here, and before this add this hierarchy. Type here font size 1.4 rem, margin top 25 pixel, and color I will type this color code. So you can see that I have this color code, and this is my output. Next I will zoom in my screen to 150% so you can see the output more clearly. Next I have to design this designation. To do this, simply copy this p element, paste here, and before this copy this and paste these classes here. Inside this I will type color, copy this color code, paste here, and change the opacity to 0.7. Next, I will type letter spacing 1 pixel to add a little bit space between these words, and type margin 0. So you can see that the margin have removed, because before this we were add a margin inside our this container class and p element. So if I will not type here margin 0, this margin property will affect our p element inside our card class. Next, we have to give style to these social media icons. So what I will do, simply copy this social media class, paste this class here, and type margin top 30 pixel. So it will create a margin top 30 pixel on our social media icons. Next, I will copy this I element, paste here, and before this I will copy this class and paste here. Next, type here font size 1.2 rem, color, copy this color value, paste here, and change the opacity to 0.8. Next, type here background color, copy this color code and paste here. So you can see the output. Next, I will type here padding 15 pixel, margin 0 and 3 pixel. So we have to set the 0 pixel margin to top and bottom to see this type of effect. Next, I will type here border top right radius 15 pixel and border top left radius 15 pixel. So you can see the output. We have a border radius around our social media icons. Next, I will type here cursor pointer. So our cursor will look like this when user will hover over these icons. Next, I will type here transition 0.5 second. So this property will help us to create a little bit animation when user will hover over these icons. So to add the hover effect, simply I will copy this class and this element and type here colon hover and type a background color. I will type this color code, type a color property here, copy this value and paste here, and change the opacity to 0.9. So friends, you can see that output. We have add a little bit hover effect on these social media icons. So next, we have to make these cards responsive, because currently you can see that our this design will look like this on mobile devices. To make this responsive, I will use CSS media queries. So I will type here @media maximum width 500 pixel. It means that the style inside this block of code will be implemented on our elements when the screen size will be from 0 to 500 pixels. So what I have to do, copy this card wrapper class, paste this class here and type flex wrap, and next copy this card class and paste this class here and type width 100% and margin 20 pixel. So friends, you can see that now our these cards will look like this on mobile devices, and next we have to design them for tablet devices. So simply I will copy this complete media query and paste here and type here 969 pixel and remove this margin 20 pixel property, and you can see the output. Our these cards will look like this on tablet devices, and these cards will look like this on desktop devices. So friends, I hope you must enjoyed this video. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. If you have any suggestion that how we can improve our videos, you can give your suggestion in the comment section. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for regular videos and share this video with your those friends who want to learn web designing. And finally, thanks for watching.